So National Public Lands Day is a national day. It's the largest event nationwide, really highlighting volunteers servicing parks and public lands. It gets people out to really enjoy the public spaces and really put their own elbow grease into making their neighborhood parks and their local parks really beautiful.
One of the things that I think is most important about volunteering is that this is a part of my home. The rec center, the park system, everything here, I love it. I come and I use it.
There are events all across the county. There's a volunteer event in every supervisory district, but here they're going out to do a trail volunteer event and clean up the trail a little bit. And so it's really a great event. We had a lot of people here. They're very excited to work in this park, and we're really happy to have them.
We're going to be working on the trails behind the Franconia Rec Center. We're going to be opening them back up again. We're going to be doing work to make them safer, wider. We're also going to be doing some work to make the whole property look nicer and doing some edging, some mulching. So I'm really excited because it makes a big impact and it really presents our rec center as this really nice and wonderful resource.
This place means so much to Franconia District families, and I cannot thank the volunteers that are here today for their willingness and desire to help us take care of this park as well as others across Fairfax County. There's over 9,000 volunteers who support the effort of our parks across Fairfax County. So without them, we would have to probably hire people to help us do some of those things that they do for free. So it helps us stabilize our budget, it helps us get those important critical things completed and done here in the county as well.
So as always, this is a phenomenal event that brings people together to do volunteer work in our parks. We are very excited to have everybody. We want to turn National Public Lands Day into National Public Lands Year, and we'll definitely be doing this again next year at a park hopefully close to you.